I have this. It's a table that you pull out para kapag nasa taping ako, dito na lang ako kakain, or when I work, I can put my laptop here. So, yung mga seats nila sa business class, nagiging ganito. Ganito siya ka-flat. So, sa taping, pwede ako matulog kapag hindi ako yung kinukunan. I also have a reading light here. Siyempre, habang hindi umaandar, no? Habang nakapark yung van, if I'm not doing anything during taping, I could, easily read my script here. Sa plane, kapag sa business class, gusto ko yung may mga ganyan, mga mood lighting, mga cabin lights. And also here, there is a control system. Dito ka pupunta if you want to control the lights or the mood lighting here. Of course, there's an outlet here where you could charge your phone. And then, this is how you control the star light. Para siyang sa plane, yung mga maliliit na lights na parang almost like the skies at night. So, may phone, may intercom, so I could speak to the driver kasi meron din kami ditong divider. So, they can barely hear me kahit na naka-up yung divider, no? Kasi medyo malaki yung van. There is a special feature about this chair. It is that you can easily just charge your smartphone here. Sobrang convenient. All you have to do is just place your smartphone here and that's about it. It will charge in no time. At syempre, dahil nakakapagod din sa taping, it is also a massage chair. So, ang sarap niya kasi mamasahihin ka niya, nagbabibrate siya, ganyan. Here we have our media control system. This is where I could control the audio of the van and the audio of the television kasi we also have a TV over here. Now, by the way, it's also connected to the internet. So, the entire van has internet connection. I can also connect my phone via Bluetooth. Meron din control system here. Ito yung cabin lights. You can turn it off, turn it on. Para mas maliwanag. If I want to do my makeup over here, I can do that. So, over here is my coffee drawer. So, we have cups over there. There's a coffee machine here. Alam mo, hindi talaga ako makakain ng pagkain na hindi ko iniinit yung pagkain ko. At that is the reason why I placed my microwave here. Naka-built-in na siya at hindi rin siya makukulog because we made sure na secure siya dito kahit na medyo bumpy yung road. Or, kung may kasama naman ako, like si ate, kung gusto niya rin matulog dito, pwede niya rin ihiga to ng full, kagaya nitong other chair. Pinataasan din namin yung ceiling ng van para hindi ka masyadong cramped and so that I could just easily change clothes here. And over here are my overhead compartments. This is where I store naman my medicine kit. So, dito sa side na to, meron pa rin tayong mga overhead compartments. And why do I bring this with me? It is also because we have a rack over here where I could put my clothes. And it's very durable. Kahit na marami kang clothes ilagay, okay lang. Push it like that, it's already locked. So kahit na umaandar, wala siyang danger na bumukas tapos, tumapon lahat ng mga nasa loob. Anyway, this is another one of our overhead compartments. Siyempre, ang aking snacks that I love. The most important thing when I leave the house. Siyempre, there's also a very spacious area over here. Why? Because I can also put my maletas over here. In fact, this door opens, no? So, kung ayoko masyadong maistorbo, kung gusto ko ng privacy, we can put our luggage here, tapos they can just get it from here, from this door. So, parang ito yung back door, kumbaga sa bahay, no? So, on to my restroom. So, when you go inside, there is a sensor light over there. See, you don't have to press anything. So you can shower. I love this feature because kapag nasa tapings kami, syempre, importanteng nag-shower. Also, when you look down, makikita mo na yung flooring talaga ay pang shower, no? Waterproof siya. We have also a garbage can na sensor din. My toilet over here. There's a bidet. I also have an overhead compartment here where I store my toiletries, no? You have to press the water pump and then you can easily just use this. Tingnan mo kung gaano kadaming tubig, diba? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa cockpit or the driver's area. As you can see, it's also very spacious. High ceiling siya. So, komportable rin sila dito. The seats are also very nice. And most importantly, we have our fridge here. I have my drinks here. Also, my fruits. Still with the acrylic box. Alam mo, very flexible yung acrylic boxes ko, no? There's also a camera where you can see, para siyang CCTV shot ng sides and then the back, syempre because it's a big car. So you might be wondering kung saan napupunta lahat ng waste from the bathroom, diba? This is it, no? Very sanitary. All you have to do is slide it and then pull it out. And then, nandito na lahat ng waste. You pull it out like that, and then you drain it, and then put it back, no? After you clean it, of course. There. Also, it can hold up to around 60 liters of water. This is how you put water in, no? Plug in a hose, tapos papasok na yung tubig. So, yan yung meter. Kung puno na yung tubig.